What's going on? It's Robbie here with Chrome Exteriors. I just want to let you guys know what we did today. We did a 43 square roof replacement for a customer. A customer unfortunately had 50 bad sheets of plywood. We were able to get it knocked out and get it installed, get all the plywood replaced, and get the roof installed with all the upgraded features with full ridge vent. All pipe collars are replaced, sensitive and wood replacement with FRT plywood around the chimney, wood burning stove. So everything's in code ordinance, and this is it. This is our roof. Full ridge vent system. Boys are up top. Some shingles are still wet from the bundles. It's all good. Yeah, we're allowed to use leaf blowers up here in this part of Maryland. And yesterday material was delivered. The day before, on Monday, the customer's solar panels were taken off. We were able to get that also taken care of and covered by the insurance company. So customer had a deductible, and that's all he was required. And we were able to get him the money to get the solar panels removed. We have certified, and we are certified with solar removal. Again, we had the solar that was set up in the front and the rear. Solar is going back on tomorrow morning. So the homeowner was only down off the grid and on the system Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, reconnected and back live on Thursday. Back on the grid, locked and loaded. That's how we go. If you guys need anything, insurance, retail, roofing, siding, windows, skylights, gutters, let me know. We're here to help. Go to chromeexteriors.com. Check out my website. Move on. We out. Thank you.